Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have fried rice, Chinese fried rice.
Chinese fried rice. Chinese fried rice.
Chinese fried rice.
Or Chinese fried rice. Chinese fried rice, bro.
Yeah, that's true. I have in here shrimp and sausage, and then we have some fried cutlets on the side. We just felt like throwing that in.
Cause I want more meat. Meat.
Before we dig in, guys, go check out my outfit of the day.
Yellow tape, dance floor, murder scene. Girl, you so bootyful. Crown you the booty queen. PA gon' love this. Cali gon' bang this. ATL gon' rock this. New York gon' play this. I like chocolate milk. The new black girl anthem. Mean as K on the beat, got everybody dancing. Yeah. Yeah.
We're back. I know you like First Lady outfit of the day because I love it. And you what? Like it. Okay.
All right, my love. Can I have some of that
The
sauce?
ladies could like it. Anybody else, they better just don't. That's what you want.
Yo, you gotta stop bodying up my
The ladies,
family members. Them.
yeah, I could love it if you want. But anybody else, they better like. Don't love it.
Guys, this is what is this now? This is sweet and chili sauce. It's the Panda Express kind. Panda. If you guys have never had that, you should definitely try it. It tastes really good on the fried rice. To me, it tastes better than the duck sauce.
Yeah, man, it's bad. But like, yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
There's a lot.
That's right. You know I love sauce. You know I throw all of that on it. Yo, you make some good fried rice, yo.
That fried rice would be banging.
What you talking about? What you got in here? Shrimp and what? Oh.
And sausage.
First they make good fried rice.
And eggs, carrot, peas. That's it.
First to be doing a thing of fried rice, man. When first they made the fried rice before? I didn't shit. I don't gotta go Chinese store no more. You know what I'm saying? Everything in here. You know what I'm saying? How y'all doing though? How was your weekend?
We had a great live on Friday.
I mean, yeah.
We had so much fun.
Yeah.
All those dishes that everyone's gonna make.
Everybody that's close to us, I'm stopping by. First day they gonna come too.
So where I'm gonna go?
No, come down, you say you're full. I eat a belly key, I will enough, you know.
Where you go, I go.
No, yeah, exactly. So, don't be surprised.
This is really good. I love that sauce.
We coming, Mama Shay. Y'all come first day? Wow. This is good, though. Why are you eating with spoon today? Why you're greedy.
I'm acting up. And I have a video on how I made this fried rice. Go check it out. And you can use the same recipe and use any kind of meat. Last time I made a jerk chicken fried rice. And it was really good.
Real good. We don't have to buy. We don't have to the Chinese store.
Yes.
If it was up to me, first they would have put like 10 different pieces of meat in here. I love meat in my joint. What? I gotta be careful that meat out there, though.
You love top bone meat? Oh, the sausage gives it a really good taste.
It's good. I don't know how you making this stuff, though. First lady, you're a good cook. First lady, a good cook. The family know you can cook good. What do you think, family? You understand?
Family, thank you, honey. I was drinking.
Family, what do you think? First lady, go cook good?
Oh, man.
Comment down, let me know. Okay, your food going done quick. That's my money?
It's good. And I cannot make fried rice. Look, I keep on.
Well,
I can't make fried rice without sesame oil.
you have to put the sesame oil in it, right?
It gives it a really good flavor.
Wow, I was thirsty.
You guys know,
What?
I'm telling them the business again.
Can't chat my youth. Why you talk so much?
I cornrowed Richie's beard all the way around. I did. That's
took it
how
out.
long his beard is.
Yep, I could get like all different style right here. I just took it out too.
I cornrowed
Right
it.
now, when I get the fresh genuine, my first in the braid right here for me.
Ooh.
You gonna look better. You're gonna look better when it's shaped up.
Yeah.
She carved the whole thing.
It looked so cute. It did look cute. It looked different.
Oh, different. Different. Beard gang in the building. This is good for a thing.
Thank you.
What?
Piece of shrimp shell.
You have a story time for them today?
I can't remember the one that I saw going to tell. I know everyone is out there getting their stuff ready for Thanksgiving. And going to family members' houses and just be safe, guys,
Just
okay?
be safe.
It's just going to be our immediate family and my sister and her family and my mother-in-law and my father-in-law. That's it. That's way under 10 people.
A lot of food.
But my mother-in-law works in the hospital, so she's well prepared with her mask and everything. So
Yep. Food nice, man.
the food is really good, guys.
With all the sauce.
Sometimes you just feel for some fried rice.
There's a lot of sauce lovers out there
Yeah.
in the family. Where my sauce lovers at? Comment down. Gotta have that sauce, that good sauce. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? 2020 is almost done.
I know.
21 gonna be a better one. So whatever was going on in 2020, leave it in 2020. You know what I'm saying? The corona already messed it up, so forget everything. '21 is a new beginning. You know what I'm saying? That's the time to keep pushing. Do what you want. 2021 gonna be a good year for us, right, really?
Yeah. It is. You have to speak it into existence. It'll happen.
We got a lot of stuff planned, and day by day, it's gonna come true. I love mukbang. Yeah.
We know you love mukbang.
Family. No cap. I be enjoying my food, yo. I ain't gonna lie. And y'all can tell that I love my food. How much of them thing you eat already? I think you say you don't want none. Family, she said she ain't want none, enough. I'm gonna show them off my thing.
So what you gonna do about it?
I can't do nothing. The family said I love take your food. And I take your food again.
Oh, yeah, please.
The family said I always take your food and you already eat slow. Shawty K, I ain't gonna take your food no more. Shawty K got your back. Shawty said I be taking your food and you eat slow already. And you have a little bit portion.
Another comment said, I feel so bad for First Lady because she barely eats. And Richie's always taking her food. Don't worry, guys.
My belly's her bed.
This is 18 years in the making, okay? I'm used to it, but he still shocks me sometimes because he catches me off guard.
Take our food. Family! I'm frying First Lady, is it? First Lady.
Oh! So you talk about me, love chat, and you like telling the business.
No.
Guys, let me tell you something.
Why we were using the bathroom just now? This is. I mean,
If I could show you a picture.
I should have recorded. First lady was in the bathroom.
I'm in the shower.
In the shower, taking a good up shower. Right? With her head down and everything. Doing what she gotta do. Right. Show them.
I was sitting down because we have a bench in the shower. I was sitting down. And you know, ladies, you do this in the shower. You shave your legs or you scrub your feet. You know, that's what I was doing. I had my head down and I'm just scrubbing my feet, making sure my feet look cute. Go ahead, my love.
So I crept up on her. I get a little creep. And I'm watching her doing what she doing in her. I said, bow! Slap the glass to hell. I didn't even know what first had in her mouth. First they spit up everything she had in her mouth. Family, if she could have run through the wall, she'd have run through the wall. Oh my God,
I was so
she was
scared
as hell.
You see when he hit the glass, I went like this, just like that. Like, I mean, I was scared.
She almost jump off the damn seat.
Man,
Right.
he got me good. He got me good. I'm not gonna lie.
What the hell you got in your mouth? I think everything for you. Are you drinking water?
Water.
Probably. You know when you go in the pool and you drink water and you spit it back out? When I slap the glass, everything comes. I said, God damn.
I have water. I like to brush my teeth in the shower. So I brush my teeth. And you know, they say you're supposed to have the toothpaste in your mouth for like a little bit to help. Whatever. Just what I like to do sometimes.
Yo.
You got me good. I'm not gonna lie, family. I jumped, man. I almost fell off the damn bench.
You need to shoot up yourself, you know?
Come on.
Yo, the way she jump, yo, I said, God damn. That's some crazy. I like it, but you the bad, you just chilling. Somebody Friday. Oh. Time of the day.
Remember, you know what I used to do? When we was kids?
What?
My sister was taking a shower with my mother. We would get ice cold water and put ice in it. And then while they're in the shower, we would pour it over at them.
Yo.
You ever did that?
Yo. Jump, you're free. My God. First lady is skinny cat. She jump for everything.
I sure am.
Family. Listen to this. Take a sip of my drink. Alright. Family. Pastor Rich in the building. People who talk behind your back are back for a reason. You listen, you see what I'm saying? People who talk behind your back are back for a reason.
Yep, makes sense.
Think about that one now. I just said it twice.
Makes sense.
You see that? All right. Yo, you see that though? Y'all don't tell me that when she do that, but every time I do, y'all say something. You see, y'all not fear. I'll not be biased. Yeah. You see that? Y'all don't tell me none of that. I don't care what y'all want to say now. That make it worse now. Food war now.
Whatever.
Watch me, you know.
Why don't you step up your prank game?
Step up my prank game.
But you can't prank me.
Don't talk much.
That was very good.
Nice, very nice to you.
Very, 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 very good.
Don't call no way you can, you know.
I can handle anything. I'm a queen. Don't forget it. That was really good.
That was good. Hope you enjoyed.
Woo!
Good.
Woo! Soda strong, man.
You still have more juice? All right.
Whew.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and we already shared with y'all, so don't say we ain't give you none. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple, and they are First Lady.
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.
We appreciate y'all always. No cap.